The next day, Hank said to Ian, "Well, I guess we don't work at that ice cream parlor anymore." Okay. The next day, Hank said, the next day, Hank said, what did Hank say?
Hey Milton, do you know why the computer systems aren't working? Why are you using a typewriter?
Because the computer systems aren't working?
Ah, well played. Do you think perhaps you'll be getting the computer systems back online anytime soon?
Kind of busy.
It shows. What are you doing?
Writing?
You're not working on your resume, are you?
Oh, no, nothing quite as practical as that. But you do know how I wasn't able to find a job?
Yes.
Well, I've decided to join the lucrative career of authorial management.
What does that mean?
Well, if it didn't mean what it actually means, it means that I've become an author. I'm a novelist.
Really?
Yes, I figure, I might get in a lot of movies, asking for treatments and things, and developing a best-selling novel into a screenplay, and getting Brad Pitt to star as me, and, yeah, well, I'm like billions and millions of dollars, and all I have to do is finish this year novel.
You can't be serious.
Of course I'm not serious. There's no money in writing. No. I just can't get the computer systems to work, so I've been killing time doing National Novel Writing Month.
Oh, that's that thing.
Yeah, where you have to write 50,000 words in the month of November in 30 days.
Right. How's that going?
It's, well, week 3.
Week 3?
The nanos know what I mean. It's week 3, and, I'm about 10,000 words behind, and, yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing. I've sort of accidentally finished the story already.
Oh, well, why don't you just put a bunch of gibberish in there? I'm sure that there's no one actually reading these things.
Because that's not the point. The point is to actually write one of these things in 30 days. 50,000 words, 30 days. You can't just put a bunch of gibberish. I mean, yeah, you could put the word "the" in 50,000 times and it would still technically count as 50,000 words, but where's the honor in that? There's no merit to that.
Well, what if you had one of your characters start spouting gibberish for no reason?
That could work. What do you got in mind?
I don't know. Anything really. You could start naming the days of the week.
Hard to really contextualize that.
You could, I don't know, start making up your own language.
There's probably a rule against that one.
Maybe have the characters start spouting pop cultural references?
I'm listening.
Just put in a big list of things, they're talking about things that involve a lot of names, Seven Dwarfs or something like that.
So have my characters talk about the Seven Dwarfs?
Yes.
And have them name every dwarf every time?
Yes.
That's 7 names, 7 words right there! Plus an and, 8 words! that's great. Okay, thanks.
And if you finish your novel anytime soon, you will fix the computer system, right?
Right, I'll get right on that.
Okay.
Okay. The next day, Hank said, "Oh, you know, Ian, I was just thinking about the seven dwarfs." And, Ian said, "Oh, you mean, happy, dopey, grumpy, sneepy, sleazy, bashful, and happy, dopey, grumpy, sleepy, sneezy, bashful." Happy, dopey, grumpy, sleepy, happy, dopey, sleepy, grumpy, sneezy, bashful. Happy, dopey, sleepy, grumpy, sneezy, bashful. Happy, dopey, sleepy, grumpy, sneezy, bashful, and... Dr. Cranium, can you remember what the last name of the dwarf is?